Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off auto renewal on YouTube Premium. To cancel your YouTube Premium subscription, go to your YouTube homepage and click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left side of the screen, click Purchases and Memberships. Here, you'll see your YouTube Premium membership listed. Click Manage Membership and you'll find your next billing date displayed along with a cancel option on the right. Click Cancel, then Confirm by selecting Yes, Cancel. This will stop your auto renewal and your premium benefits will remain active until the end of the current billing period. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.